Science Techbook is our primary source in my science classroom. They love that they can come up with their own ways of solving a problem. Okay, you have all these materials to choose from here. You have 30 minutes to build it, okay? When we do that, we're gonna test it out with high velocity winds. We saw that video of that room that they demonstrate high winds and they were building that structure. Okay, that's basically what we're doing on a smaller scale, right?
The wind will blow in the straws and it could possibly blow it.
But if it goes at a specific angle, the wind will just go through. Yes.
If you saw how our students react when they're working collaboratively, when they have a mission, something that feels kind of outside the box from normal instruction, they get really excited.
It's the holes in the straws. The holes.
What do you mean by that?
The straws have holes and the wind will be through it instead of attacking it out of it.
Learning to persevere, I think is another valuable lesson for them to learn inside and outside the classroom.